Inspired by the rugged and mighty conditions of the nearby Rocky Mountains, the Colorado Avalanche will be on home ice tonight in Denver.
Greetings, everyone, with Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro coming up in just a moment. I'm Mike Emmerich. It's the end of a long homestand, and it hasn't been very good, but it's finally coming to an end. How do you approach this last game?
Well, I think it's pretty simple, Doc, is that the mindset at home tonight to end this homestand should be the same way that you approach road games. Nothing fancy, keep it simple, and worry about what you can and bring the hard hats here at home that you would bring on the road.
Colorado's obviously not happy with the way they performed during this homestand, but I got the sense in talking to some of the players and coaches this morning at the pregame skate is that they're going to come out with a real simple attitude, a real simple game plan. Pucks ahead, people ahead, put the hard hats on, and see what happens at the end of 60 or maybe even longer minutes of this game.
And now we turn to the last lines of defense, the goalies.
He remains #1 despite sporting a loss last time out. A win in his last game, so he gets the nod in this one. The referee has checked. The goal lights work. Let's see if anybody can light them.
McKinnon's ready for the opening faceoff for Colorado. Eichel's out there to try to beat him for Buffalo. Johnson's got it on his stick, trying to clear. And now it's directed to Landeskog.
He's carrying the puck with intent. The next goal will be a nice milestone for him.
Directing that one to Reinhart. Trying to go to Dahlin.
The Sabres with a neutral zone possession along the way. Not able to do that well.
Carries it to the corner. Shoots one.
He wore that puck on a hard shot.
That puck's loose, defended away by Johnson. On to Hansen.
He cut that one off in the defensive end. Colorado's along the wing at center ice.
Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come.
Points it.
Pitching it to Calvert.
Steps across that line.
Punched away. And sent down to Kerfoot. Slid to Mittelstadt. Moving it to Ladd. Pass attempt to Zadorov. Lets it go. Turned away with the stick.
Gets it out.
Good stick presence by Opoza.
That puck came back to neutral ice, and so things will have to regroup. Oh, boy, what a hit.
Both teams talked about having a physical presence. He got the message. That early hit sets the tone for his team.
Here it comes. No!
That shot exploded off his stick, and he just missed.
The Avs skated up on the side. Really good cut of the pass. A kick pass out of that.
And they've got it again. Pushing it on up the wing. Dogged determination there by Cole. Snapping a pass to Haula.
Shot on. Swept aside.
Puck is thrown to Kamenov. And he dumps it in.
That puck came back to center ice, and so everything slows down for just a bit.
Slid back across from one point to the other. Laid on to Cole. Puck loose, he couldn't get by. Buffalo's continuing on up the wing. Mashed in by Hansen. Smart recovery by Cole. Free puck off a defender. Strong play there by Smith. Passing one off now to Kamenov. Pass to the slot. Score!
score!
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up 1, go make it 2.
Some shots, only 1 goal.
A lot of opportunities. Love the mindset of getting pucks and people to the net.
And they've taken that face-off between the blue lines and won it. Puck loose, now picked up. Skates it into the zone. Lets it go. That's a great save.
55 seconds.
Hangs on to that one for a stoppage in play. Over 7 minutes have been skated here in the first period. The Avs lead 1-0.
The tie-up, he needed help, and he got it.
And he steps across the line.
And it's a good pickup. Carries it on in from center.
Lets it go.
Stick to some.
Pass comes to him from the crease. Well, on the heels of that, it looks like we might have some war here.
Well, when you act like that, you better be ready to defend yourself.
Buffalo's a little too snarly. Minor penalty, unsportsmanlike conduct. Colorado's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. Pitching this one to Ladd.
Great job in his own end with that interception. Did not get anything up. Stole that pass at a critical end of the ice.
Propelled to Hansen. Looking to Zingle.
Driving in from no man's land.
Picks it up in his own end. He covers and holds on. Good job on the draw. And now it's directed to Calvert. It's dumped in.
Got it in his own end.
Directing that one to Reinhart. Trying to go to Eichel. Lets a shot fly.
Turned aside with a pad. And he holds on, and the whistle stops play.
Maybe he's shooting to pump up his Corsi number, because that has no chance of going in the net.
The Avs with a clean win on the draw. Pitching it to Zadorov. Pass attempt to Ladd. And he dumps it in. Chip to Hansen. Moving it to Zingle.
In with it now.
Dzingle's trying to do way too much there with that offensive opportunity.
Gets that one on a cross. Shoots. Oh, and it's off the mark.
Well, that's a good scoring chance. He's trying to be too fine, trying to pick the corner. Sometimes you've just got to shoot it at the middle of the net.
He takes that point pass. Around to the corner. Snapping a pass to Landeskog. The Avs are at the wing in neutral ice. Good use of the stick, broke that pass up. Puck is thrown to Ladd. Locks on that to Johnson. Reads the play and keeps it.
They've been so responsible with the puck most of the night. It's plays like that that they just haven't made. This isn't the time to start being risky.
The Avs carrying on in their own end. Puck loose, just a speed bump off the defense. A shot. He scores. That's his initial goal of this season.
goaltender was surprised at how quick that snapshot got on top of him.
Kincaid's trying to cover the bottom of the net, but the puck beats him anyway.
Passing one off now to Jost. Pitching this one to Kerfoot.
A point blast.
Wonderful stop.
Good face-off win.
Looking from the corner. Wasn't intentional. Didn't go well. Loose puck.
Digs it off the iron.
On to Jost.
One-time blast.
The shot blocked. Recollected. He's got it there. He wants to clear it out.
And the penalty killers come up big again. It's cleared.
Looking to Jost. Loose puck knocked away by Andrew Ladd. Stretches it out by throwing it to the opposite corner. And now it's directed to Jost. Trying to go to Ladd.
Leads that charge into the zone. Good defensive read with that one.
And in flight over the line. Muscled long to McCabe. The Sabres win the draw. What's next? The Avs are starting back in the defensive zone.
Crosses that line.
Shoots one. Score! And that is his first.
He's had his chances and finally cashes in for goal number 1.
A little under 3 minutes still to play in this period.
And so based on that goal, they built a lead of 2.
Directing that one to Zingle.
Oh, what a hit.
Score! They're back to within 1.
15 minutes, 7 seconds.
Reinhart's first step was the right one. He got to the front of the net and received the pass and put it in on a one-timer.
He didn't leave very much room. He's in the butterfly. He's got most of the net shelled off, but he doesn't cover it all, and it ends up behind him.
And the faceoff's won. Pitching it to Jost. Colorado's carrying on up the wing.
Oh, broke it up.
Pass attempt to Reinhart.
Just couldn't make it.
16 seconds.
Takes that pass.
Taken over again. Takes it in from the neutral zone.
Slid to Jost. Oh, the pass just didn't work. And he gains the zone. Using the point.
In that defensive zone, an important play.
He's got this one. He's got to hurry. And the pickup. Boy, stick-to-stick artistry there. He's got it and moves ahead. Nearing the final minute of play.
Period 1 is done. Lots of scoring. Maybe the coaches will be talking defense for the second.
Both teams with offensive confidence. The difference is 1.
Did you know that season ticket holders
Buffalo's gotten some momentum and some encouragement by the scoring of this goal. Will it continue? We'll learn that when we come back after these words. One period played, a second period is about to begin. What do you think of what we've seen so far?
The Sabres are down only by 1, Doc, and they're lucky. The way they turned over the puck in that first period, this could easily be a 3 or 4 goal deficit.
Steps in from the neutral zone. Good, solid defensive play with the stick.
It's dumped in. Moving it to Reinhart. To Zingle. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. He imposed his will, and he dumps it in. Snapping a pass to Zingle. Puck is thrown to Reinhart. Laid on to Eichel. Got a piece of that one.
Still held in.
That one is pointed to him. Taken away. Shoots. Gets it with the blocker. Got to clear it. Passes across. Shoots. Save. Has it in his own end. Buffalo's looking to head man up the wing.
Heaves one. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time.
To Landeskog. Passing one off now to McKinnon.
Very important steal for him.
Pitching this one to McKinnon. Looking to Landeskog. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. The Sabres shoot it back out. Got some time to check the clock and prepare to defend again. And they won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you.
Nearly grazed the iron on that.
Coaches always told him, hit the net. He was trying to be way too fine with that shot, and unfortunately for him, skates away empty-handed.
A little under 4 minutes gone. 5 goals in this game. It's a 3-2 contest, and it's tight. McKinnon's dropped another draw in this close one. Colorado's in possession as they travel in the defensive zone. Skill play by Hansen. That one slung back out, and so there's still some more time left on the power play. Swept on to Ristolainen. Free puck off a defender there.
Fantastic poke check.
Directed away off the mask.
That puck hit him in the mask.
The Sabres did a good job on that penalty kill, so it's even.
Ristolainen's hooked on the play. There will be a penalty. Colorado's roster goes down by 1 here. At least briefly, a minor penalty for hooking.
2 minutes for hooking. Time of the penalty, 4 minutes.
The Sabres are going to try out their power play.
This is a great opportunity for them on their first power play. Get the puck to the point, get it to the net, and crowd the net for rebounds. They're going to have to move the puck a lot more quickly than they have in the past minute here. They haven't got any pucks to the net, so there's no danger.
Missed the net.
Guaranteed the goalie never saw it, but I know he heard it. That's how hard it was.
Score!
That's how a power play should work.
There are times the power play does nothing but crush your momentum. They're able to tie the game up with a power play goal here. As we enter the middle portion of the game, we've had a game full of goals, which I love. Maybe the goalies could even get in front of a shot or two in the back half of the game.
Time of the goal, 5 minutes, 48 seconds.
Held to Reinhart. Chip to Zingle. Save with the blocker. Picked up by the defense. Gathered up again by Calvert. Flings it. That one's deflected. And a save.
And decides to just hold on and get a stoppage of play.
Goalies have to make a half a dozen great stops in a win. This is one on a beautiful move, but there is nowhere for the puck to go.
Over 6 minutes have elapsed here in the second. There have been some goals in this one. It's 3-3.
Buffalo's lugging it around in the neutral zone. He's got it.
To Landeskog.
Landeskog's creating chances for his teammates with 2 assists so far.
Great save.
On to McKinnon.
Intercepts that pass. Maybe he can generate something. Intercepted that one at an important place. Gains the zone. He's got that pass at the point. Puck loose. Strong defensive play by Hansen. An enormous hit.
Oh, he's been looking for that hit all night.
And finally the whistle blows and they can tend to him.
Hansen's been in discomfort since this hit here.
Into the last minute of the second period.
Two periods are in the books here, and so one more to go, and maybe overtime, but it's been an entertaining first two.
2 periods have played. A busy time on the shot board.
20 for Buffalo and 18 for the Avalanche.
Are you looking to impress at your next group event? Then rent out one of our luxury boxes. With great views, waiter service, and free team merchandise, your time is now to reserve this. See our website.
Three periods didn't prove a thing. It's going to take overtime. The Stars will have to give more, and so will everyone else.
Now's your chance to play clean. Drop your plastic cups, bottles, and clean paper products in the recycling bins throughout the arena.
We have begun sudden death overtime. Nobody scores. Somebody will in a shootout. Looks ahead to start something. Through the neutral zone.
Can start the attack going in the zone.
Shot. Score! The